Hi there, I'm Michael Jones. I'm an electrical engineer and I've been working in the industry for 10 years in hardware, embedded, and FPGA development. In my experience, I've found that there's a large void between the highly functional hardware found in the industry and what's available to hobbyists and electronics enthusiasts. Many industry development platforms are very expensive, complex, and based on proprietary standards. This makes it difficult for hobbyists to experience and take advantage of the latest technologies in their own projects. I founded Valent FX with the goal of simplifying the electronics experience by creating open source hardware solutions and creating a community where like-minded professionals and enthusiasts can collaborate to create unique and multifaceted open source projects that many users can easily access and use in their own projects. Valent FX has formed a team of electronics professionals who are dedicated to these proposed solutions. We've been busy at work with our initial focus on FPGA development. I would like to introduce you to the Logi family of FPGA development boards.
Hi Kickstarter, I'm Jonathan Piat. I'm assistant professor at the University of Toulouse in France, where I teach FPGA and do my research work on building embedded systems for robots. The Logi board are FPGA-based extension for the BeagleBone and the Raspberry Pi. An FPGA is also called a circuit. It's basically a collection of logic resources that the designer can structure to realize any function. If you want to compare a processor and an FPGA, we can say that a processor is more like an assembly line that you can orchestrate to realize any task, while an FPGA is a warehouse full of building blocks that you have to structure to realize a function. With the Logi board, we try to bridge the gap between the software development and hardware design communities. We provide a platform on which the hardware designer can share the architecture to let the software developer make the best out of it. Our building blocks are based on the open source Wishbone bus specification, and we provide the software libraries to abstract the communication layer between the FPGA and the processor. We also give you access to a wide collection of architecture for machine vision, control, and more.
Hi everybody, my name is Andy Gickling and I am a software and electronics engineer out of St. Paul, Minnesota, and I'd like to take a moment to tell you how I have used the Logi family of FPGA capes by Valent FX to really enhance my robot project I've got going on here. So what this B-Bot is designed to do is drive around the pool, and it carries a cooler behind it, and it drives around and solicits drinks to people. So it can talk, it has pan, tilt, video, and audio. It can drive around with the remote here. It's got a screen, obviously, talking about the advertising different drink companies. And all of the data for this thing channels through the FPGA cape and goes out the door to a Zigbee link, which is going to the .NET front end here. Now, the nice thing with an FPGA on a robot application is it really expands a lot of your digital electronics possibilities, rather than just using a microcontroller or even a naked BeagleBone Black.
Hi, I'm Dave Anderson. By day I work as an engineer, but by night I'm a member of the Logi team. We'd like to take programmable logic to the next level. Are you working with a Raspberry Pi and need more input-output for your latest project? Well, just go ahead and add a Logi board. Say you need more sensors, more interfaces. The Logi board is going to help you out. We have our Raspberry Pi here with RAM, flash, CPU, and an OS. An interface bus goes over to the FPGA on the Logi board and lets you add functions, quadrature encoders, a camera, PWM, all the things that are difficult to do on the Raspberry Pi. We'd really like you to join us and support our Kickstarter. Thanks a lot.
Hello, my name is Stefan Videv. I'm a researcher at the University of Edinburgh. Within our research group, we do research into visible light communications. We've been using the LogiBone as a part of one of our prototype communication systems. The small form factor, the good physical integration with the BeagleBone, as well as the ease of reprogramming of the device have made working with the LogiBone straightforward, and we have been able to iterate our design quickly after our initial setup.
Hi, I'm Jack.
I'm Remy.
and we are Logibone users.
Gonocast is a software editor based in Paris. Our product enables hearing impaired people to utilize their smartphone in order to listen to audio tracks generated specifically for them. This product is made of a Logibone card plugged on a BeagleBone blackboard. As real-time audio processing is needed, the processing capacity of the BeagleBone had to be extended with the FPGA of the Logibone.
We're excited to release the Logi development boards to the community, and thank you for your support. Now a word from Logibase.
Hello Kickstarter friends. Thank you for supporting our project, and I look forward to being a part of one of your upcoming projects. Goodbye for now.
Thank you, Logibase. Goodbye for now.